I got this Brita water bottle about 2 months ago and I've been using it every day. I love it. So I got the color Carbon. It's kind of like a mix between gray and black. It's stainless steel, it's double insulated, and it has about a 24-hour time frame that is going to keep your cold water cold. In addition to it being BPA free and reusable, you are going to get obviously the lid and the inside portions that holds the filter. Now this filter will last about 2 months or 40 gallons of water, and that's said to replace about 300 plastic water bottles. So what you're gonna do is get this filter, follow the instructions. It tells you to run water through it to get that first cleaning in, and then you're gonna pop it in here and it lays flush with the top. And then if you look at the lid, it has a little spot here where you're going to put the filter inside, and you just twist it and you feel it lock. You can't twist it anymore, and that's it. And if you use this button here that has a little water droplet, you can see, you press it and it pops open your lid, and you have here this sort of rubber stopper where you can get your water from. And it's really easy to clean and take apart. Like I showed you, there's not too many moving parts in this, which I really like. So if you're looking for a water bottle that has its own filter, I strongly recommend this one by Brita.